Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Senior investment banking analyst at Barita Investments Limited, Sean Davidson, took the top spot, with bank examiner at the Bank of Jamaica, Jerry Lee Young, being the runner-up of the Jamaica Stock Exchange Market Research Composition 2024-2025 on Thursday, November 20, at the entity's Harbour Street offices in Kingston. Chief Executive Officer of the JSE, Livingston Morrison, in making the declaration, said that the efficiencies of markets is directly related to the availability of information on the financial performance and position, as well as the capacity plans and programs of listed companies. And I quote, "In this context, the work of analysts is of critical importance to market efficiency, as well as the integrity and efficiency of the markets in which we operate," he said. Morrison noted that the impact of the market research competition is especially important in increasing the pool of investors who regularly engage in market activities. I quote again, "There are numerous investors who can be classified as first-time participants in the stock market, ordinary men and women who are choosing to build investment portfolios as part of their wealth management program," he said. Group CEO of the National Commercial Bank Financial Group, Robert Almeida, shared his outlook on the prospects for the financial services group during the live stream of Mayberry Investments Limited Investor Forum on Friday, November 21. He stated, and I quote, "But with Hurricane Melissa, I really expect the corporate and investment banking part of the business to grow faster," end quote. Almeida noted that based on the physical damage to properties occasioned by Hurricane Melissa, which made landfall in Jamaica on October 28, there will be increased demand for financing the rebuilding process. He added that the NCB Financial Group will play a role in the recovery efforts, pointing to the group's efforts over the last 2 years to strengthen its capital base and improve its liquidity position. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange continue to report their financial results this quarter. Seprod Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025. Net profit attributable to shareholders was $2.55 billion. First Rock Real Estate Investments Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025, reports 171% increase in net profit. The Jamaica Public Service Company has reported steady performance for the third quarter of 2025 because net profit dipped to $17.8 million. For the trading period ending November 24, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,852,718 units, representing 24.22% of market sales volume. Caribbean Cement Company Limited with 1,274,258 units, representing 8.01% of market sales volume. Supreme Ventures Limited with 967,770 units, representing 6.08% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 24, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $92.72 million purchased and US $83.81 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.79 per dollar, selling the US at $159.26 and buying the US at $161.05. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.46 per transaction, with selling at $115.49 and buying at $111.03. The British pound yielded forex traders $7.86 in profits, with selling at $204.99 and buying at $212.85. For our credit report tip of the day, after a major life crisis, approaching your bank for 6 months of breathing room can feel daunting. But your credit report is your ally. It shows your payment history, current obligations, and responsible financial actions, giving you credibility and transparency. By reviewing it carefully, you can highlight opportunities for deferred payments, debt restructuring, and demonstrate your plan to regain stability. With a clear picture and strategy, your credit report becomes a tool that opens the hard conversation and positions you to rebuild confidently. For our funded and focused feature, you cannot fix what you cannot see, and your business is no exception. Too often, founders operate on instinct, hoping revenue will cover unseen leaks and hidden costs. A profit clarity session changes that. It gives you a clear view of your finances, uncovers hidden drains, and delivers a simplified roadmap to profitability. The truth can be uncomfortable, and it often triggers resistance, but it's exactly what you need to gain focus, take control, and start claiming the profits your vision deserves. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.